Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Lenovo XT95 Pro with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the case for like 10 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect these earbuds from any previously connected devices. Then when you do this, all you have to do is just to open this charging case, and they will be powered on automatically, and they will also move to the pairing mode automatically. So it means that this indicator is blinking green and red, and right now we have to keep that case open and smoothly go to the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone. Click to pair new device. From available devices list, you have to select the Lenovo ThinkPlus XT95 Pro. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. They doesn't have any application, so we can only use them by standard Bluetooth settings. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.